Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can increase or decrease the field of view on the PowerWash Simulator game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up PowerWash Simulator on your device. And after you are taken into the main menu, if you wish to increase or decrease your field of view, then click on the options at the bottom left corner, or you can also click on the menu icon at the top left and then click on options. Now within this page, go into the general settings at the top left, and now if you scroll down, within the camera settings you will see the field of view. By default it is set to 70, so you can increase this. And now you will be able to see up to a wider field of view. The maximum allowed is 100 degrees, and the minimum is 60. So choose the appropriate field of view that you would like to set. And once you are done, you can just go back and your settings will be saved. Now you can continue to play with your customized field of view right away. And if at any point you wish to change this, you can go back to the general settings. And once again from the camera tab, you can change your field of view. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to increase or decrease your field of view on the PowerWash Simulator game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.